the coordinator of the American Corner, I would like to reaffirm our commitment to supporting the platform such as this to promote the leadership that we're going to have. We'll share it together, the dialogue, the innovation, and the positive impact in our various communities. And we are also confident that discussions and activities and the various exchanges that we're going to have during these days will be enriching and transformative and will impact all of us, so that when we go back to our various places, we will bring this positive change so that things will change in our various communities.
Through the fact that our country, Togo, has joined Commonwealth, we have been working on designing the program on how to teach English at the primary level. Because in the past, English has been taught only at the secondary level. And the challenge is that at the end of the secondary education, our students are not able to speak fluently English. So for the fact that our country has joined Commonwealth, so we have been asked to work on the primary level so that once the students early come into contact with the language, they may be able, at the end of their secondary level, their secondary education, they may be able to speak fluently English. So for that purpose, we have benefited from the U.S. Embassy, from the assistance of a specialist who helped us a lot.
We are also deeply honored to be hosting English language fellows working across West Africa. Their presence enriches this conference with international expertise and regional perspectives. English language fellows have played a decisive role in the professional development of English language teachers in Togo and beyond. In fact, Togo English Teachers Organization was an initiative of an English language fellow. Yeah, her name is Jennifer Hudson. It was in the year 2009-2010. After a workshop, she invited every school to send a representative. And I was just a young volunteer teacher in a junior high school at Sagado. And my dean said, you are young, go and represent us. They didn't know that at that time they were producing the future national coordinator of TETO.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's theme, Teaching English for Sustainable Development, is both timely and meaningful. English is more than a school subject. It's a tool that connects learners to global knowledge, supports employability, and helps students engage with shared challenges. When English teaching is aligned with sustainable development goals, classrooms become spaces where students develop not only language skills, but also critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. These are essential for the future of Togo and beyond.
As we celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States through the Freedom 250 campaign, we take pride in our long-standing tradition of supporting initiatives that elevate educational and innovative capacities. These efforts reflect our America First commitment, ensuring that U.S. leadership abroad strengthens American prosperity and security at home. But we recognize that America First does not mean America alone. With our partner Togo, for example, we are combating illegal migration and advancing shared prosperity.
Dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, you are encouraged to make the most of these 2 days of learning, reflection, exchange. Engage actively in the discussions. Share your experiences on how to connect English lessons to local Togolese issues, and reflect on how the outcomes of this conference can be effectively translated into improved classroom practices for the benefit of our learners and for the sustainable development of our communities. It is the firm conviction of the Ministry of National Education that initiatives such as this one significantly contribute to improving the quality of English education in Togo and to ensuring the successful implementation of national education reforms. With these words, and on behalf of the Honorable Minister of National Education, I hereby declare the 8th TETO National Conference and Workshop officially open. Thank you very much for your attention.